Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dmitry Davidov. I'm Bitrix24 Chief Marketing Officer, and today I'm going to attempt to do an entire Bitrix24 demo in 20 minutes or less. Of course, we do have much longer demos and webinars recording available to you in our YouTube channel, both introductory webinars and webinars about each Bitrix24 tool available to you. So I will leave link to those recordings as well if you want to know more about a specific part of Bitrix24. But to give you a general overview idea, there are 5 major parts to Bitrix24. So we have a communications module, task and project management. Of course, we are mostly well known for our CRM because Bitrix24 is the world's most popular free CRM. We also have contact center and website and store designer available to you inside Bitrix24. The company behind Bitrix24 is called Bitrix Inc. and it was founded in 1998, so we are over 20 years old. And the service that you have registered for has been launched in 2012. Over 6 million companies have signed up with Bitrix24 over the past 7 years, and the service is currently available in 18 different languages. These are our cloud localizations. Actually, more languages are available to you for on-premise Bitrix24, and you can contact your local Bitrix24 reseller if you don't see your language on the screen. And of course, Bitrix24 data is hosted in various parts of the world as well. Currently, we employ 16 different data centers in 9 different countries. This is important, especially for our European clients who need to be fully GDPR compliant. We do have data centers in Frankfurt, Germany, and in Ireland. And for every Bitrix24 site, there is information about where your data is hosted. All of that information is available to you at the bottom of the page. We do have a GDPR compliance section. We do have terms of services. We do have privacy policy and security information. And what's important is because Bitrix24 in cloud is hosted in Amazon Web Services data centers, they maintain a number of certifications that you are able to obtain from them directly if necessary. Bitrix24 free service is provided without technical support. So if you need to have technical support, you need to upgrade to one of the many paid Bitrix24 plans available to you. About 1/4 of our employees, 85 technical support technicians are available to you, and the average response time for technical inquiries is only 2 minutes. Another great reason to upgrade to a commercial Bitrix24 plan is because we do not use per user pricing. All prices that you see are per account. So for example, if you subscribe to Bitrix24 Project Plus plan, it costs only $69 per month, but that includes 24 users. Or if you go with Bitrix24 Standard plan, that's $99 per month for 50 users. And of course, I'm a big fan of Bitrix24 Professional plan. If you have $200 a month to spare, you get unlimited users. We have an extensive partner network in pretty much every country in the world. Over 14,000 companies have registered as Bitrix24 partners and resellers. And they're the ones who are able to provide in-depth personalized demos if you need them. They can help you with account setup, customizations, integrations, and custom app development if necessary. All right, let's start with CRM. One of the reasons why Bitrix24 is currently the most popular free CRM in the entire world is because of our approach. We view CRM as something that's more than just database consisting of your customers. So there are 5 critical parts to any CRM system in our view. First, contact center. And contact center here plays a dual role. First, it's a great way to generate more leads and prospects. It's also absolutely essential for maintaining superb customer support, because great customer support means client retention, and that means money. We do have CRM that is classic in every sense of the word, so that's basically the database containing the records of your clients or leads or prospects. We do have a very powerful CRM marketing module, and I have recently done a webinar about Bitrix24 CRM and sales intelligence module. You will find a link to that webinar in the description to this video. Let's start with the contact center. Ours is what's known multi-channel or omni-channel contact center, and that means in plain English that different communication channels are available to you in one place inside Bitrix24, inside the contact center. So you can connect email, telephony, text messaging, chatbots, callback widget. We also provide website like chat, the widget that allows you to provide live chat to your customers, regardless which website you're using. Bitrix24 works as social CRM and connects with Facebook and Instagram, and of course it provides two-way connection with all popular messengers, including WhatsApp. So our contact center is two ways. You can receive emails and you can send them. You can receive phone calls and you can make phone calls. You can receive inquiries via WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, and you can send messages via WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger or Viber to your customers. Also, we have website forms and integration with Facebook lead ads. You're able to configure different routing rules for your contact center agents. That means, there are different distribution modes, how incoming inquiries should be processed. We have canned responses, automated greetings. You're able to set business hours, so Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, when you have live agents working, you have one message, and then when your business is closed, you have another message. We do have detailed reports and statistics, and again, videos about Bitrix Contact Center is available in our YouTube channel. The main idea is that when you sign up with Bitrix24, if you need CRM and help desk in one, that's exactly what we offer. We also have very, very powerful telephony module. I will leave a link to our 30-minute introduction to Bitrix24 telephony webinar as well. You can use Bitrix24 as a virtual PBX for incoming and outbound calls, and all of the features that you see on your screen are available to you if you are a commercial user. You do need to pay for phone calls and some premium features available to you inside Bitrix24 if you need to use call routing, voicemail, IVR, and that sort of things. Our API is open, so you can connect Bitrix24 to pretty much any telephony service around the globe that has API. And the two partners that you see on your screen, telephony24.com and Semcom Technologies, are the ones who you should be contacting if you have questions about Bitrix24 telephony. They have set up probably hundreds of call centers that run on Bitrix24, and they will be happy to help you with all your telephony needs, including integration if you need assistance for that. Okay, let's look at some of the Bitrix24 CRM features that make it the most popular free CRM. So inside Bitrix24 CRM, you get leads, deals, contacts, companies, quotes, and invoices. You can not only issue quotes and invoices, we also support online payments, so you can send invoices that can be paid online via PayPal or Stripe or other payment services that we integrate with. We do have a document generator inside Bitrix24 CRM. If you have the same type of documents that you use over and over again, like contracts or There's lots and lots of different agreements that you could be using, or landing bills, or tax declarations, or custom declarations. That capability is available to you inside Bitrix24 CRM. As is product catalog, you can sell products directly from Bitrix24 CRM, and again, you can accept online payments as well. We do provide two-way email integration. That means you can receive emails inside your CRM from your customers or prospects, and you can email those people from the Bitrix24 CRM. In addition to that, we do have mighty powerful email marketing module that allows you to send up to 1 million emails a month if you are Bitrix24 professional subscriber. You can configure different rules for routing leads and deals among your sales agents. For example, you can distribute those leads depending on the geography or the total deal amount, or any other factor for that matter. You can set sales targets to individual sales people or your sales departments. You can use Bitrix24 CRM for appointment scheduling, and because we have integration with Google Analytics, Google AdWords, Google Facebook, if you have sales intelligence configured, when you go inside your Bitrix24 CRM, you will see the entire path of your client. So you will see which which pages of your website they have visited prior to registering with your service, or prior to purchasing your products, or which Google ad they clicked, or which keyword. Again, we do have more information about that as well. Bitrix24 also can calculate commissions for your salespeople automatically. We do have an app for that in our marketplace, and we offer integration with popular bookkeeping services like Xero and QuickBooks. Again, I will provide you with links to information about Bitrix24 sales and marketing automation. We're probably the most affordable marketing automation tool on the market right now. There's lots and lots of things you can do using our marketing automation module. We have also advanced analytical reports. You can pretty much build any custom report by any CRM property. The 3 reports that you see on your screen are the ones that come out of the box, and they're probably the most popular ones. Real-time sales, your total sales that are updated in real time. Historical data comparisons mean you can compare this week's sales to last week's sales, or this month's sales to last month's sales. And of course, everyone wants to know how agents are hitting their sales targets or not. You can build forms for websites and landing pages in Bitrix24. We do have our own website and landing page builder, but you can also create web forms and insert them in your own website, regardless of which platform it is built on. WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, doesn't matter, because we provide you with the embed code. Sales Intelligence is a tool that we have added to Bitrix24 CRM this summer, and it calculates ROI to your advertising campaigns connected to Bitrix24 CRM. Again, information how to configure it is available to you in the description of this video. Let's move on to Bitrix24 Task and Project Management module. Even in the free plan, you get unlimited tasks, projects, work groups. You are able to track time for individual tasks or for individual projects, or Bitrix24 can calculate total time spent by selected employees on selected projects as well. This is very handy if you work as billable hours, if you're a lawyer or in type of work where you charge your clients per hour. We do have an app that does that automatically. Of course, we are one of the few solutions that combine project and client management in one. This means that you can invite your clients inside your projects. There are different roles and permissions that you can set up inside Bitrix24 as far as project management goes. And we also give you access to project templates, including recurring tasks. So that these are tasks that are automatically created daily or weekly or monthly or quarterly or every second week or every second month. That's all available to you inside Bitrix24. Resource management is available as well if your primary resource is employee work time. Bitrix24 is methodology agnostic. It means that we support all popular project management methodologies, agile, waterfall, whatever. It's pretty much almost everything is possible with Bitrix24 because you configure the view for working with your tasks and projects. So list view is available if you want to build a waterfall graph using Bitrix24. Timeline view, Gantt chart, that's available to you. Of course, we do have Kanban boards for agile. You're able to view tasks in a calendar view. It's great if you work with editorial calendars, for example, and we have recently added deadline view, which arrange your tasks according to the deadline. So you can see the tasks that are due this week, next month, so on and so forth. Again, we do have a 40-minute webinar devoted to Bitrix24 sites, landing pages, and stores. These are available absolutely free of charge to you inside Bitrix24. And on to the last module, Bitrix24 Communications, which probably has the most tools of all the other modules. So Bitrix24 Communications module can act as your corporate Facebook or as your company intranet, as your company Slack. You can use it for group chats, for company-wide chat, for different channels, for work group chats, for project chats, public chats, private chats, including video conferencing. These are all available to you inside Bitrix24. Cloud storage and online documents inside Bitrix24 work pretty much like Dropbox or Box or Google Drive. If you've used those or if you've used Office 365, you will have no problem using Bitrix24 Drive. We do have a wide variety of calendars available to you: company calendars, project calendars, work group calendars, individual calendars. Those are available to you inside Bitrix24 as well. You can use Bitrix24 for work time tracking and work reports. It does require upgrading to Bitrix24 Professional plan, but you and your employees will be able to use Bitrix24 Punch Clock to clock in and clock out. We will collect employee attendance for payroll, for example. Bitrix24 also works as employee directory and company structure, and of course there's lots and lots of workflows that you can automate with Bitrix24. I will leave a link to Bitrix24 workflow automation webinar as well. All of the features that I talked about are available to you in cloud Bitrix24, but I want you to be aware of the fact that Bitrix24 is available on-premise as well. So you can purchase on-premise license, migrate from your cloud Bitrix24 account, or create an on-site instance, and it will be hosted on your own server. You get full unobfuscated source code access, and on-premise Bitrix24 is infinitely customizable. So you will see this and other recordings in our YouTube channel. This is our English language YouTube channel. We also have YouTube channels available in German, in French, in Portuguese, in Spanish, and some other languages. And if you don't have Bitrix24 account yet, please go to bitrix24.com or any other Bitrix24 website and register your account there. So this was Bitrix24 demo in under 20 minutes, as I've promised, and here are just a few things that I want to show you as well. So when you first log into your Bitrix24 account, when you first register, you might be greeted by a different interface. And here is why, because there are 5 primary tools inside Bitrix24. You can change your primary Bitrix24 tool, and this will entirely rearrange your Bitrix24 account. So if you want to only work with tasks, you may want to change your primary tool. If you want to use Bitrix24 only as a CRM system, you can. So this is done specifically for those companies that do not want to use all 5 modules inside Bitrix24, and they just want Bitrix24 for one thing. For example, for websites. If you only want to build sites, stores, and landing pages with Bitrix24, you can entirely rearrange your menu and get rid of things that you don't need. Also, you can totally configure menu for yourself or for your entire account. The latter options is available only to commercial Bitrix24 users. So you can configure these menu items and move them around, or you can rename them, or you can delete them, and then you can save changes. And if you're a commercial Bitrix24 user, you can set your menu if you are an admin for everyone else. Those items here, they're also customizable, so you can rearrange the entire vertical and horizontal menu. So that's the first thing that I wanted to show you. The second thing, I've just went through many features that are available to you inside Bitrix24. What if you don't see this or that feature? Why is that? The very first thing you need to do if you want to have access to all Bitrix24 features, you need to go to the employee section and invite at least 3 users. So there are multiple ways to invite users inside Bitrix24. You can provide them with a registration link. You can invite them using a text message or email, or you can register them. The second thing you need to do is you need to go to the subscription section and click Activate Demo. You will see that you will be able to activate demo for Bitrix24 Professional Plan for 30 days. When you do this, you should have access to all tools that were mentioned in my presentation, because some of those tools are not available on the free plan, or only if you have 1 user. Another thing that I want to show you, that you can go to Bitrix24 account settings and change your account name, your time zone, your date format, time format, set your holidays, weekends, phone number, and lots of other things are available to you. If you are from Europe and you need to have data processing agreements signed, and every European customer has to do that, this is where you do this. Once you submit this information, the data processing agreement is officially signed between Bitrix24 and your company. The last thing is employee profile, your profile. This is where you upload your photo and where you can add your skills and interests, add any sections, customize any field that you need. Okay, I think I'm just a little over time, but that's pretty good for the short demo. Thank you very much. And again, I will provide links to longer presentations if you need them in the description for this video. Bye-bye.